Okay, guys, we are going to look at another question. Like this question is about strings. Okay, and a very important one also. Okay, so let's just look at it. Okay, it says given a list of strings, concatenate those strings in such a way that they make the smallest alphabetically string possible. Okay, so for example, first of all, we need to assume that A. So this is the order, right? Okay, which means Z is greater than A alphabetically and also by numerically by ASCII values. Okay, so if I say AB and AC will have higher value than AB, right? Since first character is same and second character B and C, among them C is greater than B, so AC will be greater than AB at all times. Okay, now let's just look at another thing. Okay, substring. Now these are the substring. Okay, so it says from the substring you need to return a string such a way that we concatenate the smallest first. Okay, start with the smallest. So it should be in ascending order. For example, right now we have A, C, D, X, X, and Q, 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 Q. Okay. So what do you think with A? We will start with A, of course. Then we have these options, right? We will go with CD then we have QQ, then we have XX, right? So this will be our answer, right? Similarly, this is our string, right? C, CC, CAC, and BBB. We will definitely start with B first. Reason being, B is the smallest one since all the other three it starts with C. We will start with B. Okay. Then among all those three, what we are going to choose? What do you think, guys? What are you going to choose? So I'm going to choose this one, first one. Reason being, it has only one character and the next character is empty, which means this value will be smaller. So I'm going to choose this. So first this, then this. Now among these, what I'm going to choose? CC or CAC? It will be CAC. Why? Why it will be CAC? Because if you compare the second character here, it is C and it is A. So clearly CAC is the winner. And then CC. So it will be triple B, C, CAC, CC. Okay, so this will be our answer. Now, how are we going to approach that? How I am thinking about it. So first of all, I iterate over the string. Okay, either I can find their ASCII values like or I can iterate over the string. Iterate over the string. I can round that first is smaller, then I can take out A. Okay, then from the rest I can basically compare. For example, if all the string are of two length, I can compare their character. This is the way, or I can find out their ASCII values. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, this is the code. Okay, so what we are doing here. Okay, let me take the example. What is the example? A C D X X Q Q. Okay, so this is the example. A C D X X and Q Q. Right. So it says for I in range 0 to n and for j in range I plus 1 to n. Okay, so for I in range 0 to n, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will start. So I will be here first time for j in range 1 to n. Okay, for j in range 1 to n. That's great. Okay. Then what we are going if we are doing ai plus aj is greater than aj plus ai. What is ai here? Okay, ai will be this one. Okay, and aj will be this one. So ai plus aj is greater than aj plus ai. So a cd and cda. This is what we are going to compare. If it is so, then what are we going to do? We are going to swap. See this, we are going to swap what? S ai and aj. Okay, so if this is greater, so we are comparing each of them. So if a is greater than cd, then we are going to swap them. Are these greater? No, they are not, so we are not going to do anything. Okay, so it will be as it is. Okay, then I'm going to compare a with what? Xx. Is xx greater? Is a greater than xx? No, it is not. Then we are not going to say. Then we are going to compare a with qq. Is it true? No, no, it's not true again. Then we will keep it as it is. Okay. So then we are going to go to CD. Okay, CD, check CD. CD is compared with that A. Is CD greater than A? It is, right? It is greater than A. Then we are going to swap them. Okay. So this is how we are basically at the end what we will have. Since we are sorting them at the end, what will we have? We will have a sorted list. Okay, we will have a sorted list. Okay, this will be our answer. Why? Because I'm comparing the particular element to all the other, this list element and, checking in which is greater. The one which is greater, I'm swapping them with that one. So which means smallest will be, right? Smallest will be at front. Okay, and the largest will be at last. Okay, so that's it. That's what I wanted. Now I can basically concatenate these things. I can iterate over the list and I can concatenate this thing to my answer. And finally, I can get my answer. Okay, so let's see what we are getting. Okay, okay. If you want to see what I'm getting at every iteration of loop, we can see it here. Okay, print A. Okay, okay. Wait. What is it? 289. Okay, okay. I need to comment all those things. Sorry about that. See this. At every iteration, what it is becoming? Okay, what we are passing? CBA. Okay, let me pass this string, which we took an example of. Okay, see this. So at every iteration, see this. X A C D XS and QQ. A C D XS and QQ and A C D QQ and XX. So when we am done, I'll be having the string from small in ascending order, which means from smallest to largest. That's what we have, and then we can concatenate each of the element of the list all together, and that will be our answer. So that's what I've done here. Okay. So see you in the next question. Strings are very important, like to be from the interview perspective. Okay, so please do pay attention to them. Okay, then bye.